What Tortin Paige calls a ladder braid or French ladder braid is different from what I've seen called a ladder braid. So I'm going to do this video with the Tortin Paige version of a French ladder braid, and I will do another video and then I'll do another video that shows the version that I've seen called a French ladder braid or ladder braid. Okay, so this one is very simple. It's just basically tying knots in your hair all the way down. She says that it is not a super secure style, so not for the gym, but that it does eat up a lot of length. Okay, so we're just going to start by dividing into two sections. I'm going to put the right over the left and pull it through. Okay, now we add hair to each of these sections. You're fine, honey. This time, we will put the left section over the right section and pull it through, pull the right through. So it's important to alternate. Right over left, then left over right, over and over. Again, we're going to add hair. Hello.
I need somewhere to put this. I need somewhere to put this.
From each side.
I can put it right here.
You can. That's right. Left over the top. Pulling the right through.
There it goes.
Take it to the side. Try to remember which way I'm going. Hi. Still got that food in your mouth, huh? Okay. Tie it off there. Boy, that really does eat up a lot of length. She said about a foot of length. Whoops. There you go. So even if you pull it tight on each section, it still is going to loosen up a little bit. Alright, so stay tuned for another very different version of what was called a ladder braid or French ladder braid.